morning, children. Yes, I hope you have studied about the constitution lesson, isn't it? Means civics parts you have learned and history 2 lesson you have learned. Yes or not? Are you all ready? Yes, have you all solved the question and answers in your fair note? Yes, right. Today, one more part of the social geography I am going to teach children. What is that? Geography means what is that? Earth's shapes, size or features, surface, location, boundary, countries, physical features. These are all we are going to learn in geography, right? So here you are having the geography first lesson, North America. What is that? North America, the land of prairies. What is the first lesson of geography? North America, the land of prairies. North America, the land of prairies. Okay. This North America, in the map where you can see, children, for example, there is a 7 continents. If this is a world map, isn't it? So here, how many continents? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia, isn't it? So here, North America. For example, if you are taking the globe, in the northern part, you know the direction? North, south, east and the west, isn't it? It's or not? Okay. So here, in northern part, what is that? Yes, children. Wait. For example, this is your North America. So that here in between there is a equator, isn't it, children? So above the equator it is called northern part, below the equator it is called southern part. So northern part you are having this North American continent, and see here in the map also, world map also, you are having the northern part. What is that? North America. It is recently founded continent, children. Amerigo Vespucci, one of the sailor, okay, or he discovered the America. So that Amerigo Vespucci, that is the name of that person. So that they have given the name in this continent America. What is that? America. Yes. USA. America means we are thinking USA, isn't it? Whenever we are going to higher study, then we are thinking, yes, we have to go to America, isn't it, children? So, here, North America, he was founded during the 1501, children. What is that? 1501. During, means recently founded land. So, who is that person? Amerigo Vespucci. He was discovered the North America, children. Okay. Then suddenly North America, everybody we will say that it is a very richest country, isn't it? Why? Because there is a big market or trading market is there, and number of manufacturing factories are there. What you call that, large scale employment it is giving, and apart from that there is a domestic market, transportations, and technologically it is fully developed. What is that? Technologically it is fully developed. Okay, then transportation and the domestic market we can see that, especially Amerigo Vespucci, when he was founded the North America, then almost all the Europeans, they were migrated and settled in this America, children. Why? Because in this America, just they are founding the gold at Mexico. What is that? Gold at Mexico, children. This is called Mexico area. So this Mexico, they will get the gold, world's largest largest quantity of the gold. They will get it through this Mexico. So that almost all the European people, they were migrated and settled. They were in the America, children. Okay. And in this America's location, what is the location? We will learn, children. Okay. 19° N latitude from north means 19° north to this longitude is up to 17° north, means what is that, children? Yes, from here to here, how much 19 degree to 71 degree north latitude and 50 degree to 150 degree west longitude. West means here, isn't it? So east to west, how much it is? 50 degree west to 50 degree west to 150 degree west. 50 degree west to, yes, 150 degree west it is located. And another thing is 23 and a half Tropic of Capricorn. What is the Tropic of Capricorn? For example, if you are seeing the globe, this is called 23 and a half Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer. This latitude it is passes on the America, and the same thing in the north of the America, Arctic Circle, isn't it? Have you seen this location, children? Yes, this is North America. Here what it passes is 23 and a half degree Tropic of Cancer passes. Apart from that, 66 and a half degree Arctic Circle passes at the north of the North America. Okay. Then here southern part of the means end of the North America. Southern part of the America, it is touched into equator region. Okay. So that is the extent of the or the location of the North America. Means here the latitudinal line equator, and here what you are having? Tropic of Cancer, and one more it is Arctic Circle passes through this North America. Apart from that, there is a physical setting. What type of the physical setting it is having? First of all, this in the western part of the North America, it is fully covered by Pacific Ocean, and the eastern part of the America, it is covered by Atlantic Ocean, and in the northern part, it is covered by Arctic Ocean, and here, yes, Caribbean Sea. What is that? Caribbean Sea at the southern part. So, water bodies are covered whole in this nation. There is a small isthmus line that is joined to the South America. It is a narrow path or the narrow land. It is joined to the South America. So that is called, what is that? Isthmus. So there we can see the Panama Canal. What the government or our geographists they made here. What is that? Panama Canal. This through the canal ships or the boats are moving, children. Okay, while trading, so it is moving. Apart from that, children, yes, there is a Bering Strait. It is divided Asia and North America. So here the Bering Strait is there. It is divided Asia and means it is separating from Asia to North America. Okay, so what it is there? In the north, Arctic Circle. In the west, it is Pacific Ocean. In the east, Atlantic Ocean, and here in the southern part, Caribbean Ocean we can see. And all other water part means water bodies of the America. What is that? Bay, Hudson Bay, where it is in this location, Hudson Bay we can see that. And apart from that, Gulf of Alaska. Here we will call that Gulf of Alaska, and here it is separated from Asia, which is that? Yes, Bering Strait, that we can see that. Apart from that, here in the northern part again, Arctic Circle as well as the Beaufort Sea. What is that? Beaufort Sea, that also we can see. Alaska and Hudson Bay. Apart from that, California, then Cuba Island. What is that? Here we can see the Cuba Island. Then Caribbean Sea. What is that? Mexico. Another one is Gulf of Mexico, and here Caribbean Sea. So this is the water bodies covered through the North America. Okay. Then what is the extent? Means the size of it. For example, yes, North America's size. Yes, total size it is third largest of the continent. Which is the first continent? Asia. Secondly, Africa. Isn't it? What is that? First is Asia, second is Africa. It is the biggest, isn't it? So it is the third biggest or the third largest continent, children. More than 7 times bigger than the India. What is the land? What is the boundary? Do you know that it is in India? Yes, 1500, isn't it? Square kilometer. So India's more than 7 times bigger than the India. So North America is there. In this North America, there is a three major country. One is Mexico, and another one is Canada, and another one is USA. So these three major or famous country we can see in this North America, children. Okay, so that is your extent. Okay, and apart from that, there will be a mountain ranges, means the physical features, water bodies we have seen, and the physical settings we have seen. What is the physical setting? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Bering Sea, and the Caribbean Sea, and the Arctic Ocean, isn't it? And again, water bodies. Which are the water bodies? Alaska region, isn't it? And Hudson region, and the Mexico region. Mexico, apart from the Bay of Hudson Bay, Alaska, and Gulf of Alaska, Gulf of Mexico. Then what is that? Caribbean Sea. Apart from that, children, there is a small land. It is connected to the South America. That connected land, it is called isthmus. It is a narrow land. It is connected to South America. Okay, there will be a Panama Canal was created. Apart from that, your America's physical, North America's physical features. What are the physical features it is having? First one is Western Cordilleras. Second one, what is that? Western Cordilleras. Here we can see the Rocky Mountain, children. Okay. Then secondly, the Great Central Plain. In this zone is Great Central Plain. And apart from that, Central Highland. Then coastal region or the coastal part. So there is a 4 types of the physical features we can see in this America. So first we will learn about the, what is that? Western Cordilleras. What is that? Western Cordilleras. So in this Western Cordilleras, it is stretched from Alaska, Gulf of Alaska region to Panama Canal. Means from Gulf of Alaska to like this, and up to here, Panama Canal it is stretched. And in between these mountain ranges, we can see the Rocky Mountain ranges, children. It is the highest mountain range of the North America. There is one mountain, McKinley. Mount McKinley, it is the highest peak mountain in this Rocky Mountain. So it is famous for the prairies. Prairies means it is a grassland. Okay. So that prairies we can see in this green part. Okay. And it is also stretched from north to eastern part and the southern part of the Mexico. So prairies was stretched. Apart from that, Rocky Mountain, it is stretched to Alaska to Panama Canal. So in between, from the Appalachian mountains or Appalachian hills we call, from Appalachian mountain to Rocky Mountain, in between there is a great central plains. Means here river like Mississippi, Missouri, as well as their tributaries flowing here. Okay. So apart from that, in this Rocky Mountain, yes, Colorado Mexican plateau we can see, and Yucatan plateau. What is that? Yucatan. That is also one of the plateau. Then whole Alaska region, there is a highlands. Apart from that, Mount McKinley is the highest peak mountain in this Rocky Mountain. Okay. Then there is so many intermountain in this small plateau, means the plateau of Colorado, plateau of Yucatan. So these are all the plateaus. Again, it is having a intermountain, means small mountains inside. Okay, that we can see here. Then secondly, what is that? The Great Central Plains. It is stretched from Appalachian hills to Rocky Mountain or the Cordilleras. What is that? Up to Cordilleras. Yes or not? Here from North Alaska to Panama Canal. So up to here it is stretched. Appalachian Cordilleras. Appalachian Highland to Cordilleras. It is stretched. What is that? The Great Central Plains. Here the major river, Missouri and the Mississippi River, it was very rich and fertile soil for agriculture, children. So on the bank of this Missouri and the Mississippi River, agriculture or the cultivation it is done. Okay, and apart from that, for the irrigational facilities also they have taken from this Mississippi and the Missouri. It is the famous river of these places. One more. What is that in this? Niagara Falls. Yes or not? America means what we can see? Yes, Niagara Falls. That also we can see in this Central Plains. Next one is Rocky Mountain after. There is a one geyser. There is a park. They have created the park. Geyser means what is that? Looking like a fountain. What is that? Looking like a fountain. But here like a geyser it will come, means from the fountain water is coming, isn't it, almost, but here it is not a water, it is a geyser. So that is we can see in this region. Apart from that, the eastern highland or the Appalachians. So in this yellow color what they have given, no, they have mentioned, no, this is called Appalachian Hills. What is that? Appalachian Hills. Again it is from eastern part of the Appalachian Hills to Atlantic Ocean, up to Atlantic Ocean, it is stretched. Then one more coastal part. For example, I already said that. What is that? Gulf of Alaska, Hudson Bay, then Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean. So nearby, which are the oceans or the seas or gulf is there, this part is called, what is that? It is the coastal parts of the North America. So there is a 4 types of the physical settings or the physical parts, features. What is that? Western Cordilleras, the Great Central Plains, the Eastern Highlands or the Appalachian Hills, and the 4th one is the coastal plains. Which are the coastal part? Yes, this is the coastal part of the physical features of North America. Yes, rivers, already we have said that. What are the rivers is the Mississippi, river Mississippi and the Missouri River. It is the lifeline of the America, children. What is that? Mississippi and the Missouri. So these are all other rivers also is there. For example, river Ohio and Kansas and Snake, Fraser, Columbia, Yukon, Colorado, Grenade, Mackenzie, Nelson. These are all the river. It is flowing through the America, especially in the central plains. Okay, central plains of America. We can see the, yes, rivers, Missouri, Mississippi, and what is that? Nelson, then Grenade, Mackenzie, Yukon, Colorado. So here Colorado, it has made the Grand Canyon. What is that, children? Yes, Colorado, it is a river also. Near the Colorado Plateau, it has made the Grand Canyon in the Yellowstones. Okay, so there we can see the Grand Canyon in North America. Then children, Grand Canyon, this depth is in the USA. USA part we can see this, children. What is that? Grand Canyon. So here it is minus the width. What is that? Width minus 3 to 29 kilometer width, and the depth is 1800. Depth is 1800. That was the greatest Grand Canyon Colorado Plateau and Colorado River has made. Okay, and so many lakes are there in this North America, that is Canadian Shield, the biggest lake it is Canadian Shield, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie and Lake of Superior. These are all the major lakes it is in the North America, children. Then climate and the natural vegetation we will learn more in the next lesson, children. Okay, so please go through the lesson and try to draw the map of North America in your fair note. Okay, read well and watch the video. Thank you.